Hello dear students. Today we'll do page number 99 of lesson number 4 money of class 2nd maths world, and we'll learn to convert few more greater value currency notes or coins into small value currency notes or coins. So let's start. Let's change rupee 50 note into small value notes. So we'll take one 20 rupee note and we'll add one more 20 rupee note to make rupee 40, and we'll add one more 10 rupee note to make the value equal to rupee 50. We can also take 10 rupee notes and coins to make rupee 50. For that we'll take one 10 rupee note, 10 plus 10, 20 rupee, 20 plus 10, 30 rupee, 30 plus 10, 40 rupee, and 40 plus 10, 50 rupee. Now we will convert 100 rupee note into small value notes and coins. If we have to take 50 rupee notes instead of rupee 100, so we'll take two 50 rupee notes, as 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 rupee. Now let's see, if we take rupee 20 notes, then how we can make rupee 100. It's 20 rupee, 20 plus 20, 40 rupee, 40 plus 20, that is equal to 60. 60 plus 20, 80, and 80 plus 20, 100. So in this way, to make rupee 100, how many 20 rupee notes we need? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, we can also make 100 rupee with different currency notes. So first we can take 50 rupee note, then we'll add 20 rupee note to it to make rupee 70. Then we'll add 20 rupee more to make rupee 90, and then we'll add one 10 rupee note to make the value equal to rupee 100. Dear students, next here we have used various currency notes and coins to make their value equal to rupee 50. First of all, we have used one 20 rupee note, one 10 rupee note and four 5 rupee coins to make the value equal to rupee 50. Here we have used 5 10 rupee notes to make their value equal to rupee 50, and here we have used two 20 rupee notes and one 10 rupee coin to make their value equal to rupee 50. Here we have used one 20 rupee note, two 10 rupee notes and two 5 rupee notes to make their value equal to rupee 50. Next, we have used different currency notes and coins to make their value equal to rupee 100. First of all, we have used two 50 rupee notes to make their value equal to rupee 100. Here we have used 5 20 rupee notes to make their value equal to rupee 100. Here we have used one 50 rupee note, two 20 rupee notes and one 10 rupee note to make their value equal to rupee 100. And here we have used 10 rupee notes to make their value equal to rupee 100. Students, today we have learned that how we can take small value coins or notes for higher value currency notes. And now it's turn for question related with PAS. Which set of coins or notes you will use to purchase a chocolate? Students, we are given 4 options and we have to choose the correct answer. See students, what's the price of chocolate? Yes, it's rupees 25. Come, let's find the notes and coins which combine to form the value 25. In option A, we are given 2 coins of rupee 10, which combine to form the value rupee 20. In option B, we are given 1 note of rupee 20 and 1 coin of rupee 5, which combine to form value 25. In option C, we are given 1 note of rupee 10. So its value is rupee 10. And in option D, we are given one 5 rupee coin and one 2 rupee coin, which combine to form the value rupees 7. So which is the correct answer? Yes, it's given in option B, rupees 25, because the price of our chocolate is rupees 25. So let's tick the option B, rupee 25. Now, dear students, it's turn for your homework. Dear students, you have to revise page number 99 and with the help of your parents, try to convert the greater value currency notes and coins into small value coins and notes. Bye bye students. We'll meet in the next video.